How to favorite restaurants on Doordash. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on this video we will learn how we can favorite restaurants on Doordash. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, all you have to do is open up Doordash application and sign in, or you could also go to doordash.com and log in. So for now, I will just open up Google, tap or search for Doordash and head over to their website. So tap on it. Then make sure that you're signed in. Once you're signed in, now you have to search for the restaurant that you want to favorite. So tap on the search icon at the top and then search for your restaurant. Tap on the restaurant, and on the restaurant's piece you have to search for or look for the heart-like icon, which will usually be available near the restaurant name or at the top right. So search for it. Once you find it, tap on the heart icon to add it in your favorites. So once you have added your restaurant on favorites by tapping the heart icon, to find your favorite restaurants, once you're on the doordash.com, you could check under your profile or under the saved favorites list. If you tap on the menu bar at the top left, and if you head over to your profile, you may find your favorites. Here it says saved stores. So if you tap on saved stores, that will take you to the piece where you can find all of your favorite restaurants. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.